Are you ready to dive deep into the latest evolution of noise-canceling supremacy? Sony's WH-1000XM6 headphones are here, promising to redefine your audio experience. But with a legacy as strong as the XM series, do these new titans truly stand out, or are they merely a subtle refinement? Let's dissect every detail. Sony's WH-1000XM series has long been the undisputed benchmark for wireless noise-canceling headphones. Each iteration has pushed boundaries, setting new standards for audio fidelity, active noise cancellation, ANC, and user experience. The WH-1000XM6 arrives with immense anticipation, carrying the weight of this gold standard legacy. These headphones are positioned as a premium offering, designed for discerning listeners who demand the absolute best. They aim to deliver top-tier ANC, rich sound, exceptional comfort, and robust battery life. For newcomers to Sony's flagship line, the XM6 promises an unparalleled introduction to high-end personal audio. The active noise cancellation on the WH-1000XM6 is, without hyperbole, among the best available in 2025. Engaging the ANC transforms chaotic environments, be it the drone of an airplane engine, the incessant chatter of an office, or the cacophony of city traffic, into a remarkably quiet sanctuary. Sony has meticulously refined its QN1 processor and multiple microphones. A key enhancement over the XM5 is the XM6's improved attenuation of higher frequency noises. This means sounds like human voices, keyboard clicks, or clinking dishes are now more effectively minimized. While the difference might be subtle in a quiet room, its impact in genuinely challenging, noisy environments is significant, providing a deeper sense of isolation. Objectively, the XM6 stands shoulder to shoulder with the Elite. However, a critical analysis reveals that Bose, with its QuietComfort Ultra, still maintains a fractional lead in absolute ANC performance. This distinction is marginal, often discernible only in direct side-by-side comparisons. For the vast majority of users, the XM6 will provide an enveloping, class-leading quietude. Visually, the WH-1000XM6 maintains the sleek, minimalist aesthetic introduced with the XM5. Sony has opted for refinement rather than radical redesign, preserving the clean, modern lines that define the series. This continuity ensures a familiar and sophisticated appearance. A significant ergonomic improvement is the slightly wider and more generously cushioned headband. This addresses a common critique of the XM5, whose thinner headband could create a pressure point during extended listening sessions. The XM6's enhanced padding significantly alleviates this, contributing to superior long-term comfort. Weighing approximately 250 grams, these over-ear headphones remain commendably light. They provide a secure yet gentle clamp force, ensuring stability without excessive pressure on the ears. The ear cups feature plush memory foam pads that create an excellent passive seal, further contributing to noise isolation. A notable design shift is the reintroduction of folding hinges, a feature absent in the XM5. This allows the XM6 to fold into a more compact form factor for travel, enhancing portability. However, some initial observations suggest the new hinge mechanism might feel less robust than desired, raising minor durability concerns given the XM5's known yoke fragility. Users are advised to handle the folding mechanism with care. The sound quality of the WH-1000XM6 is undeniably excellent, though it presents a distinct sonic profile compared to its predecessor. Sony describes this as a refreshed sound signature with a pronounced emphasis on vocal clarity. This tuning choice ensures that voices, whether in music, podcasts, or calls, are rendered with exceptional crispness and presence. This vocal forwardness, while beneficial for dialogue, subtly alters the overall soundstage. The XM6's presentation feels slightly less expansive and airy than the XM5AS, which offered a broader, more diffused soundscape. The low end remains robust and well-controlled, characteristic of Sony's preference for impactful bass. However, a critical analysis reveals a slight recession in certain mid-range frequencies. This can occasionally result in music sounding marginally less warm or full-bodied than on the XM5. High frequencies exhibit a gentle roll-off, preventing harshness but potentially reducing the sparkle on instruments like cymbals. For casual listeners, the XM6's audio will be perceived as rich, dynamic, and highly enjoyable across diverse genres. The bass is deep yet articulate, and vocal reproduction is outstanding. Sony's companion app provides a comprehensive equalizer, allowing users to tailor the sound to their precise preferences. Audiophiles or existing XM5 owners, however, may perceive this tuning as a lateral shift rather than a definitive upgrade. Some may prefer the XM5's more balanced and spacious presentation. The XM6 retains support for high-resolution audio codecs like LDAC, ensuring compatibility with compatible devices for uncompromised sound quality. Sony's commitment to a feature-rich user experience continues with the XM6. The capacitive touch controls on the right ear cup are highly responsive, allowing for intuitive gesture-based commands for volume adjustment, track skipping, and call management. A dedicated physical button provides tactile control over ANC and ambient sound modes. A standout feature is Speak to Chat, which automatically pauses music and activates ambient sound when the user begins speaking. This facilitates quick conversations without removing the headphones. While generally effective, its sensitivity can be adjusted within the app to prevent accidental activation from throat clearing. The quick attention mode, activated by cupping a hand over the right ear cup, instantly lowers music volume and amplifies ambient sound. This is invaluable for brief interactions or hearing announcements. The ambient sound mode itself is natural sounding, though still marginally surpassed by the transparency modes found in Apple's AirPods Max or some Bose models. Battery life remains a significant strength of the WH-1000XM6, upholding Sony's reputation for endurance. Users can expect approximately 30 hours of continuous playback with ANC activated, extending even further when ANC is disengaged. This comfortably surpasses many competitors, including Bose's flagship models, which typically offer 24 hours. This extended battery life translates to practical convenience, allowing for multiple days of moderate use or uninterrupted long-haul flights without the need for recharging. When a charge is necessary, the USB-C fast charging capability provides approximately 3 hours of playback from a mere 10-minute top-up, a crucial feature for busy schedules. The WH-1000XM6 excels in everyday scenarios, enhancing productivity and enjoyment. In a bustling office or cafe, they create a personal oasis, fostering focus. When navigating urban environments, the ambient sound mode ensures situational awareness without sacrificing audio enjoyment. Call quality is robust, leveraging multiple microphones and AI-driven noise reduction to ensure clear voice transmission. While not a dramatic leap from the XM5, the XM6 consistently delivers reliable performance for voice calls. Multipoint Bluetooth connectivity is a significant convenience, allowing simultaneous pairing with two devices, such as a laptop and a smartphone. The headphones intelligently switch audio sources, seamlessly transitioning to a phone call while watching content on a computer. This feature is invaluable for users who frequently juggle multiple devices. The WH-1000XM6 launches at a premium price point, typically ranging from $399 to $449, aligning with Sony's flagship positioning. This investment secures a headphone that is arguably among the most feature-rich and high-performing wireless options available. Tech reviewers consistently laud its class-leading ANC, impressive audio output, and comprehensive suite of smart features. For existing XM5 owners, a critical assessment suggests that the incremental improvements, marginal ANC gains, subtle sound signature shifts, and enhanced comfort do not warrant an immediate upgrade for most XM5 owners. The XM5 remains an exceptional headphone, delivering approximately 90% of the XM6's core experience. For new premium headphone buyers, if you are upgrading from an older model, for example, XM3 or earlier, or entering the premium ANC headphone market for the first time, the XM6 represents the cutting edge. Its comprehensive performance and refined user experience will undoubtedly impress. For budget-conscious buyers, the XM6's premium pricing makes previous generations, particularly the XM5, an attractive alternative. As the XM6 becomes the new flagship, the XM5 often sees significant price reductions, offering exceptional value for nearly comparable performance. Competitors like the Bose QC45 Ultra or Sennheiser Momentum 4 also present compelling alternatives at various price points. Class-leading noise cancellation among the absolute best, creating an immersive, quiet environment. High-caliber sound quality, detailed, dynamic with excellent vocal clarity. Superior comfort, enhanced headband and plush ear cups ensure long-term wearability. Exceptional battery life, 30 hours with ANC, surpassing many competitors. Feature-rich ecosystem, adaptive sound control, intuitive touch gestures, speak-to-chat, reliable multipoint. Improved portability, return of folding hinges and a redesigned magnetic carrying case. Incremental upgrade, not a revolutionary leap for existing XM5 owners. Premium price, a significant investment, potentially prohibitive for some budgets. Hinge durability concerns. The new folding mechanism might require careful handling. Sound signature shift. The vocal forward tuning may not appeal to all audiophiles. Transparency mode. Good, but not quite as natural as the very best competitors. Touch control sensitivity. Minor occasional misfires possible. The Sony WH-1000XM6 are, by any objective measure, an outstanding pair of wireless noise-canceling headphones. They represent the pinnacle of Sony's engineering prowess, delivering a highly polished and feature-rich audio experience. For those seeking the absolute best in noise cancellation, comfort, and smart features, and who are willing to invest in a top-tier product, the XM6 is an unequivocal recommendation. However, for the budget-conscious or existing XM5 owners, a careful consideration of value is paramount. The XM5 remains a formidable contender, often available at a more accessible price point. Ultimately, the XM6 is a refined masterpiece, not a revolutionary one. It solidifies Sony's position at the forefront of the market, offering a compelling package for those who demand uncompromising performance. Ready to immerse yourself in unparalleled sound and silence? Explore the Sony WH-1000XM6 today. Compare prices, read more in-depth reviews, and consider how these headphones fit your unique listening needs. If you found this analysis helpful, like this video, click the affiliate link below to get yourself a pair, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below.